Okay, so for our next topic, we have the grids. Use the grid tool to place column grid lines in the building design. You can then add columns along the column grid lines. Grid lines are finite planes. Okay, so take note on this one. You can drag their extent in elevation views so that they do not intersect level lines. This allows you to determine whether grid lines appear in each plan view that you create for a project. Okay, so we'll go to the software. So how to draw the grid line? Go to Architecture tab, okay, Datum panel, and then you can find the grid tool here. So as of now, I'm at my level 1 floor plan. So I'll left click here on grid. So we will create a 5 by 5 meter horizontal and vertical grid lines. Okay, so I will start from here. Okay, so if you will double check your units, type in UN. So I will change this one to meters first. Then decimal places to 3 decimal places. Okay, so the next grid line, so I'll just again left click on grid tool. So you will notice here in the options bar, you will have the offset. Okay, you can type in, let's say, 5 meter, and then here in the draw tool, okay, you can select the option pick lines. Since we have already our first grid line, we can left click here, okay, and left click the grid line 1. So it automatically we will have 5 meter offset from the grid. Okay, so we can do this one. Then now, if we will draw again here, I'll make this one 0 offset. So if you notice here, it automatically go on sequence. Okay, from 5 it becomes 6. So let's say if you want to make this one alphabetical A, then you can put in A here. Okay, then the next grid, okay, as you can see here, we can draw it also using this line option. We can draw it here, and then this is called the temporary dimension. Once you will snap here at the bottom, and if it gives already a value, you can type in a fixed value. Okay, 5 meter, then it will snap on that 5 meter, and then you can draw it now also. Again, same. So once you draw it by sketching, we can left click on the pick line again to make it faster. Then 5 meter value, then okay. So I want you to draw your grid line 5 by 5 meter like this, and then save it.